In this question, a stove is depreciating by 20% over 2 years. So to increase or decrease something by a percent, you add or take away the percent from 100. That would bring it up to 120% or down to 80%. In decimal form, that's 1.2 or 0.8. So if we're lowering something by 20%, we're multiplying it by 0.8. This stove originally had a value of 800, and it went down by 20% once, and it went down by 20% a second time. So it had the same depreciation over 2 different years. And on the calculator, 800 times 0.80 times 0.80 again is 512, which is answer choice B.